That was almost $900. I feel like
Actually.
this is gonna hurt more, and the airbag is probably gonna blow up in my face.
Oh, wow. Oh!
Ooh, there goes the drive shaft.
My back. Okay, my neck. Ah, bro, that hurt. That was painful. Well, we gotta do one more.
Nice find.
We're done. We're done.
So we're gonna race the F-150 now, off-road. 3, 2, 1.
Bye-bye.
I'm dusting that little. He can't even keep up. I can't even.